If you want to open Mindspace on OnePlus 15, you have a couple of ways to do so. However, the main way to open the Mindspace is by using the plus key. If you didn't set anything, if you didn't change anything for the plus key, then by default it is assigned to the Mindspace, so you can double press the plus key in order to open the Mindspace. If you want to make sure that you are actually using Mindspace for the plus key, then we can go to settings and scroll down to plus key over here. And over here, of course, we have plus the Mindspace. We need to make sure that it is in use. So now you can double press in order to quickly jump to Mindspace. We can also add the shortcut to the Mindspace. We can add it to the home screen. But first we need to actually go to the Mindspace in the first place. If you open it for the first time with the plus key, then sooner or later you will see a question whether you want to add it to the home screen or not. You can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we should be able to go to settings. And then over here we should be able to find the home screen shortcut, so you can see if it's added or not. And that is pretty much it. It seems that in the app drawer we will not be able to find the Mindspace. We can also try to use search, but in this case unfortunately it is not accessible like this as well. Perhaps we can actually use it for the global search, but in my case I'm actually using shelf. So let me quickly switch. Let's go to home screen, lock screen, and style. We're gonna go to home screen, and over here let's switch to global search, and let's see if the global search can actually find it. Yeah, there we go. So it is also possible to get the Mindspace like this as well. So if you have a global search set up, then you can use the global search as well to open the Mindspace. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.